Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Vera in the building. Guys, I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in Enugu. I make videos showing you places and things and fun things in my town. And on today's episode, I'll be taking you to one of the finest universities in Nigeria that is located in my town. I am talking about University of Nigeria Enugu Campus, popularly known as UNEC. In case you do not know, University of Nigeria is the first indigenous university in Nigeria. It was founded by the late Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe in the year 1955, but it was formally opened on the 7th day of October 1960. This great citadel of learning has produced a lot of successful Nigerian personalities, including myself, my siblings, my friends, my former governor, Barrister Sullivan Chime, Chris Ngige, Olisaba Koba, late Professor Daria Konyele, Chimamanda Adichie, and a whole lot of other successful people. Like, you cannot count 3 successful personalities in Nigeria without counting at least 2 lions and lionesses on that list. Like, let's not even argue. So guys, the institution's color is white and green. The motto is to restore the dignity of man. The mascot is lion. The students are often referred to as lions and lionesses. So if you're a lion or a lioness in the building, make some noise in the comment section. Now, talking about UNEC, which is where I'm taking you guys to today, it is located at Ogrinike Layout, Enugu, and it has just 7 faculties in it. They include the Faculty of Medicine, Faculty of Dentistry, Faculty of Law, Faculty of Basic Medical Sciences, Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Environmental Sciences, and Faculty of Business Management and Administration. So guys, this wonderful institution is very beautiful. It has an amazing landscape, so greeny, so lush, and without wasting much of your time, without telling you everything, I want you guys to see things for yourself, and let's get the video started. This is the campus main gate. Can you notice the university's color on it? Green and white. I told you about that. This is the entrance from the campus gate. As you can notice, the flowers are well maintained, and the side view is actually very beautiful. Talking about the lush green landscape I told you about. By my right is a popular Protestant church in this campus, Chapel of Redemption. It's actually the first building you'd notice once you enter this campus. This is the Pillar of Harmony. It is erected right in front of the campus main hall, and it's a very conspicuous figure in the school. This is the university's main hall. It caters for social events and other non-academic events in the campus. Behind it is the registrar's office and the campus main library. Very close to it is the Faculty of Environmental Sciences. And guys, I can tell you that this is one of the most beautiful faculties in this campus because of the plants here. It is so adorable, and this is also referred to as the love garden. I feel it's also as a result of this plant here. Guys, have you ever used this phone? Did you use this phone? I did not use this phone, and I don't know how to use it, but I just love that it is still being kept here. I mean, nobody is using it, but it's still there. Okay, so this is the Student Affairs Department. This is the campus guest house. Opposite it is the university's business school. Everything pertaining to the school, including its hostel, are all in the same spot but behind the school. As you can notice, the building stretches downward to accommodate every other thing about the business school. This is the university staff primary school. However, it is open to both non-staff children and staff children as well. This is the university secondary school, still open to staff children and non-staff children. Getting inside of it, I couldn't see anything because everywhere was locked as a result of the lockdown on schools in Nigeria. Department of Architecture. Can you guess where we are going to? I'm sure you cannot. Guys, this is the Department of Anatomy. This is where medical students come for their practicals and all whatnot. Moving down, we are heading to the newly renovated medical center. This caters for the medical needs of the staff and students. Directly behind it is the first female undergraduate hostel, Odumego Ojukwu Hostel. This hostel was named after the Biafran warlord Odumego Ojukwu. He's late now, and this hostel used to serve the boys, but recently or over the years, it has become a female hostel. Moving down, we'll be seeing other female undergraduate hostels, such as Manowa, Marere, Adelabu, New Hostel, and all that. And at this point, I'm going to say something. The federal government needs to step up their budget or whatever for the living conditions of students in federal universities. The hostels are not nice, they are an eyesore. It needs proper maintenance, renovation, or just an entire new look. I think this lockdown period should be a very good time to upgrade these hostels, but nothing is actually going on, and it is what it is. This is another female hostel, the Ibiam Hall. Ibiam Hall is named after Lady Eudora Ibiam, the first Eastern First Lady. This is the postgraduate hall, named after the first Ghanaian president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Now, this is the male hostel. This is Kenneth Dike Hall. Kenneth Dike Hall was actually named after the first Nigerian Vice Chancellor, Professor Kenneth Dike. He's an Igbo man, a historian as well. On his statue, it reads, "In honor of Professor Kenneth Dike, the first Nigerian Vice Chancellor." This statue was commissioned by Colonel S. Aman, Military Administrator, Enugu State, assisted by Chief E.C. Iwanyanwu, Aha Ejejemba of Ndibo, on the 8th of November 1997, under the tenure of Eze Chidebere T. Ogundu, Dike of University of Nigeria, and his cabinet. So a big shout out to Eze Chidebere T. Ogundu. Hopefully he's still alive. Now this is an overview of what the male hostel look like, and this is the reason why I'm crying out that something should be done ASAP. For crying out loud, this is where your future lawyers live. This is where your future doctors live until they move to Itukwazala. This is also where your real estate managers and the business admin and all that. And as you can see, this building has over 100 rooms, so something should be done. So I'm currently walking to the next male hostel on the pavement because it rained and the surroundings were flooded. This is Mazin Bono GK Hall. This hostel was named after the late Mazin Bono G, who was popular for his slogan, "Boycott all boycottables," in his attempt to promote African and Nigerian names and native words. So this is an overview of the hall. So basically in this campus, there are just 2 hostels for boys or for the males. 2 male hostels. At the Faculty of Health Sciences, over there is the White House. It's a popular auditorium for lectures. This building is the Faculty of Basic Medical Sciences. Now moving away, if Dimma Ume is one of your favorite YouTubers, this was her faculty. Dimma studied accountancy or banking and finance in the University of Nigeria, and this was her faculty. So this is the Faculty of Business Administration. Now we're moving down to one of the most boastful faculties in Nigerian universities. I'm talking about the University of Law. In case you do not know, in Nigeria, if you're not studying medicine or law, it's assumed you're not really studying. Okay, and law students and medical students are very proud. I don't know what informed their pride, but it is what it is. So this is the Faculty of Law, University of Nigeria Enugu Campus, and it's not looking bad either. Opposite the Faculty of Law is the Ojo Maduekwe Student Center. This is the Department of Physiology. One thing I like about this department is the structure. Can you guys look at the buildings and see that they are not actually made of concrete? I could be wrong, but I am seeing woods. And these are the kind of buildings you get in biochemistry at the Nsukka campus. So there is something so serene about this department that it made me feel at home while I was filming here. So just take a look and savor the whole beauty. Like, it's so natural, I don't know, but this is the Department of Physiology. Now we're still moving down in the campus. By my right is a Catholic chaplaincy, St. Mulumbak's Catholic chaplaincy. It serves the Catholic students and staff here. By my left are the lecture halls where students receive lectures and do other academic activities in this campus. However, most of these lecture halls do not contain the teeming number of students in Nigerian schools lately. We outnumber the space. Seriously, we do. And we are not happy about that. By my right, can you see those buildings? That is WTC Estate. I talked about that estate in one of my videos, so it is very close to this campus. It shares boundary with this campus. This is the Victory Ground. It serves as a prayer arena at night and the sports arena by the day. This is the basketball court, but this campus has a stadium, which I couldn't film because the staff there didn't allow me to film that. They had a lot of ridiculous excuses, so I left them and went my way. Over there is the security department. Everything security about this campus goes on there. And guys, guess what? Can you guess? We are done with the tour, guys, and we are going home now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour with me. If you did, please give this video a thumb up. Tell me what you think about this campus in the comment section, and I'll be looking forward to reading from you guys. And until I come your way next time, do have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, now is the best time to hit that red subscribe button so you do not miss out on all of my awesome content. Bye.